Hello everyone. So today it's an amazing weather, of course, the south, and I'm gardening. I have my tools. I don't know if you see the tools here, the tool here, surrounded by cats and friends. I just wanted to say hi from La Source, preparing everything for this spring and the retreats we're gonna organize here. Just enjoy the weather. I have nothing special to say today. Just, yes, be in the presence, be in the silence. I touch it today, I taste it, and it's just such pure blessing. I'm gonna make you listen to it after the motocultor passes by. Oh, this is Ganesh. Oh, hello. He's saying hi. I don't know if you can see to everyone. So let's enjoy the silence together. I'm gonna face the mountains perhaps, but you won't see. Yes, the message is wherever you are, connect with nature. And it can be connected with animals, if you're living in a town, in cities, or just if you have an opportunity to get out. Get out! Voila. Okay, let's stay in silence. Just enjoy your own presence. And cats doing noise. Yeah, this is it. Today, stay in your nature. Taste the vastness of your nature. Enjoy the silence that is you. Enjoy. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.